Outdoor cooking requires a reliable, versatile knife that can handle any task with ease. Meet the Vosteed Grand Knife Mini Bar, a minimalist workhorse designed for campers, BBQ lovers, and outdoor chefs. With a wide blade and G10 handle, it ensures stability, control, and a secure grip, even when wet. Its razor-sharp edge delivers precise, clean cuts, effortlessly slicing through dense vegetables, meats, and more. The pinch grip design offers comfort and control, making meal prep easy without additional tools. Built for functionality, durability, and affordability, the Mini Bar is the perfect combination of power and versatility, ensuring you're always prepared for any outdoor cooking challenge. Enhancing your workouts with added resistance shouldn't mean carrying heavy, bulky weights. Introducing the Hydrate Fitness Vest, a revolutionary water-weighted training vest designed for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, and anyone looking to intensify their training, anytime, anywhere. It packs down to just 3.5 pounds, but when filled, provides up to 25 pounds of dynamic resistance. The 6 leak-proof water sleeves fit snugly, adapting to your body's movements for maximum comfort and stability. Unlike static weights, the fluid motion of water engages stabilizer muscles, strengthens your core, and enhances overall performance. Easily adjust weight, freeze for cooling benefits, and even stay hydrated with its drink-safe design. Whether at the gym, outdoors, or at home, just add water and transform your training. A watch is more than just a timepiece. It's an extension of your personality, blending history, craftsmanship, and modern innovation. The Novamos N3 ceramics watch embodies timeless elegance and cutting-edge durability, with its abrasion-resistant ceramic housing, mechanical and smartwatch versions, and 5 ATM water resistance. Using a precision ceramic die casting and sintering process, it ensures rugged strength while maintaining a refined aesthetic. The mechanical version features automatic winding, while the smartwatch version supports 100+ sports modes and advanced features. Designed with ergonomic, skin-friendly straps for superior comfort, the N3 is perfect for both everyday wear and aquatic adventures. Outdoor cooking demands versatility, durability, and convenience, all in a lightweight, portable design. The full Windsor metal multi-utensil is the ultimate all-in-one tool for camping, backpacking, and travel. Made from aerospace-grade titanium, it is super lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and stronger than stainless steel. This multifunctional utensil set features a long spork for dehydrated meal packs, a chamfered spatula edge for flipping, a serrated cutting edge, and spork prongs for precision eating. A one-click release mechanism seamlessly combines the spork and spatula into sturdy tongs. With a high-polished and sandblasted finish for easy cleaning, this no-messing set ensures durability, performance, and convenience wherever the adventure takes you. A reliable air pump is essential for maintaining proper tire pressure, ensuring safety, and being prepared for unexpected situations. Meet the YCY PSN Air Pump, a compact high-performance device designed for convenience and efficiency. With a maximum of 180 pounds per square inch, it provides quick inflation and features tire pressure detection with a real-time display. Our mobile power supply doubles as an emergency flashlight with a warning light for nighttime travel safety. The detachable handle ensures easy carrying, making it an indispensable tool for drivers, cyclists, and outdoor enthusiasts.